Good morning, everyone. I hope you people are well and safe at home. As you all know that you people are enjoying your holidays because of the DM orders, and we thought that अच्छी बात है आप लोग घर में enjoy करिए, but we thought that we'll utilize this time थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ पढ़ाई भी करने के, so that because the papers are on our head, बिल्कुल सर पे हमारे papers, so we'll start something. And as you all know that I'm taking your SST. I'm Sarita Saklani. So we'll start something from the SST only. And as you all are aware that we have already done the chapter number 18 in the class. The explanation is done for the Amazing Asia. And now I hope last working day you people got the booklets also. So I'm here with my booklet and we are going to study about few questions like 1, 2 and 3. Fine. One by one we'll do these questions. So first of all, the question number 1 is there. Identify the country in Asia. There are some clues written on the first question, and after reading these clues, we will identify the country that which one country is that related to these clues. Fine. So I have written the answers on the blackboard, but first of all, you have to listen to me very carefully, and you have to utilize your mind. आपको याद करना है that what we have studied in the chapter, और on that basis आप अपने आप answers करो, and then cross your answers with these answers. Cross check, right? So the first question is, its official religion Islam and was formerly called East Pakistan. As I told you, there is a country that was formerly known as the East Pakistan. So what was the name of that country? Yes, you people are right. That is a Bangladesh, and it is a neighboring country of India. The next question is, it is called the land of thunder dragon. So the name of country is, yes, very good. I hope you can identify the correct one. That is the Bhutan. The name of the country is Bhutan. Fine. The next question is a landlocked country in the Himalayan mountain. And already I have explained you in the class what is the meaning of landlocked country. Landlocked country means मैंने आपको पहले भी explain किया था that a land which is surrounded by 4 sides of land. एक ऐसा land का piece, एक ऐसी country जो चारों तरफ से land से घिरी हुई होती है, that is known as the landlocked country. उसी पे हमने पहले पढ़ा था, एक बार we'll do the quick revision so that हमें याद रहे हमेशा what is the peninsula. Peninsula is the land which is surrounded by 3 sides of water body. एक ऐसा land जो तीनों साइड से पानी से हो, इसमें आप इंडिया को देख सकते हो. इंडिया का जो southern part होता है, this is the southern part of India. ये तीनों टाइप से water bodies है. This is the land of peninsula. Island में you can take an example of Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar. You can take an example of Sri Lanka. एक ऐसी लैंड का पीस जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा हुआ, दैट इज द आइलैंड. पेनिनसुला क्या हुआ? लैंड व्हिच इज सराउंडेड बाय 3 साइड्स ऑफ वाटर बॉडीज, एंड लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री इज अ कंट्री व्हिच इज सराउंडेड बाय 4 साइड्स ऑफ लैंड. तो आपके यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री में नेपाल. आप नेपाल को जब आप मैप में मैंने आपको पहले भी दिखाया था, मैप में आपने ऑब्जर्व किया था. सो यू हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट अ लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री इज अ कंट्री व्हिच इज totally covered by land from all the sides. Fine. The next is its former name was Burma. इसका former name Burma था. So what's the name answer? That is the Myanmar. Now the fifth one is, this country is an island in the Indian Ocean. ये एक island है Indian Ocean में. Country है, मैंने आपको पहले बताया था the word island. इसीलिए मैंने आपको अभी explain किया that what is the meaning of island. So island is a land which is surrounded by 4 sides of water body, and it is also a neighboring country of India, but we share our water boundaries with this country, and the name of the country is Sri Lanka. Fine. So this is the first question which you people have to do. Try to do it by yourself, and if you are not able to do it, then you can cross check your answers from here. I have already written on the blackboard. And the question number 2, you have to write down the capitals of these countries like Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, and the Bangladesh, which you will do it by your own. This is your homework. As I have written over here, the question number 2 and the question number 3 is your homework, because all is given in the book only. As you can see on the page number 106 and 107. One chart is given over there. You can see easily all the capitals over here. Already we people have discussed in the class also. So it's very simple. And then the next is question number 3. Look at the flag of the different countries. Identify the countries. There are 6 flags and all the flags, all the information is given on the page number 106. You people have your books, so please kindly look the maps and try to complete this question number 3. Fine. So for the question number 4, we'll meet in the next video. Till the time, thank you so much. Be safe. Enjoy your holidays.